Hey everyone, and welcome back. Before we begin here today, please make sure that you like and subscribe because it really does help out our channel, and it also helps us reach others who want to test their math skills with these types of test questions. So this will be our 21st part in this math skills series, and we are tasked with determining which value is larger. We either have 989.01 to the power of 990.01 versus basically the flip of that of 990.01 to the power of 800 or 989.01. All right, well, good luck calculating all that. And we're going to, if you were using a calculator, but we're not going to use a calculator, and you'll see how simple this can be. So what we are going to do is that we are going to take the easiest approach that I think is the easiest approach, and we are going to take a logarithm of each side. So we are going to go with log of 989.01 to the power of 990.01. And then that's going to be versus our other one, which is log of 990.01 to the power of 989.01. Well, why did I do this? Well, if you had the log of b to the power of c, that is essentially equal to c times the log of b. So what I'm going to do is just switch them to that property that I just wrote. So basically the 990.01 on the left side goes in front, and the 989.01 goes in front over here. So what I'm left with is that I have 990.01 log of 989.01 versus 989.01 log of 990.01. All righty. So what do I do now? Now I have logarithms in there. Oh, it's so much more helpful, right? Yeah, it actually is. Because if you were to graph a logarithmic function, it flattens out the further and further you go along it. Well, we're pretty far along here with the log of 989 and the log of 990. So we're pretty flat over here. So what that means is that this of log of 989.01 is pretty equivalent, very, very, very close to the log of 990.01, relatively speaking. Of course, they're not exactly the same, but they're going to be very, very close in value. So essentially what I can do is that I can say, well, this is basically equal to that, and cross them out from each side. And what am I left with? Well, I am left with essentially 990.01 versus 989.01. Well, which one of those is greater? It is the 990.01 is greater than the 989.01. And that would be my final answer. If I scroll back up and I were to put this in here, this one right here, which is the 989.01 is greater than the 990.01 to its power. So boom. And that is all just found by using the log functions and this property right here, and realizing that these two logs of these very high numbers are almost the same value. Very small values that are very close in value. So the 989.01 to the power of 990.01 is greater than 990.01 to the power of 989.01. So you can use this method of logarithms whenever you can. You just have to watch out when you get to lower numbers. When you get to smaller numbers, it's a little bit trickier because, well, it hasn't really flattened out just yet. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a new math skill from it. And if you want to check out or test your abilities even further, please check out the other videos on our channel. This is our 21st part in this series, and we do have other topics on this channel as well. Also, if you haven't done so already, please like this video, leave a positive comment below, and subscribe to the channel because all of that does help us out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.